What's up guys, JLT Trades back with another video. Perfect, so this is gonna be Friday, 12th September. Let me just check if I'm not incorrect. Okay, so Friday 12th, yes, okay. So let's see what our Forex Factory was giving us for the 12th. Yesterday, okay. So prelim OMs, okay, customers, not much. Okay, so it would have been a perfect day to trade. Only reason for that is because there isn't much news. Okay, so this is market open over here. As you see, we come down, sweeping out this low, not getting this low. Okay, and not sweeping these. Let me just move all these lines and stuff. Okay, perfect. So this is market open. Okay, so we did sweep one draw on liquidity, this low. We did not sweep this low, and we did not sweep this low. I was thinking we're gonna rotate down because we are at all-time highs over here. Okay, so immediately after, we get a doji candle. Immediately after, we have a break of structure to the upside on the 30 minutes. Okay, so that means we can scale down to the 5 minutes. Okay, so as we see here, we take out this 5 minute low over here, this 5 minute lows, this is equal lows if I'm not mistaken. Yes, perfect. This is an up candle, meaning this is a low, so it's basically equal, almost equal lows, not really. Sweep, sweep, sweep of this low as well. Okay, so we did sweep all these lows on the 5 minute. Okay, having a 5 minute doji. Okay, and having a 5 minute break of structure. Boom, which you could have entered off, but it's not the best confluence. Okay, so let's go through our confluences over here. So it's a big move, but take the last one, all a block. Okay, breaker blocks up here, not the best ideal place for it to be. Okay, we do have equilibrium from this low to this high. We tapped in, okay, seeing buying pressure out of it, so let me just relocate that one. Okay, so we go on the 1 minute after we entered, then we wait for a 1 minute break of structure to the upside. Okay, perfect. So as we can see here, we come down, full equilibrium, inversing this gap over here. Okay, after inversing, we still have this fair value gap over here. We do break structure, so I would have entered purely off this inverse over here. Okay, putting my stops below these lows. Some people will only enter after a break. Okay, and then targeting, well, you could pull the Fibonacci tool. Oops, wrong way. Okay, you don't have much to target. Let's see on the higher time frames. Yeah, we are at all-time highs, so not ideally. We did enter this 1 minute, this 1 hour fair value gap over here, respecting it with a break of structure over here. So meaning price wants to go higher, like I said on my weekly analysis. Okay, so there's not much to target to the upside. Only reason for that is because we are already at all-time highs over here, but you could have just estimated what TPs you want to take. Okay, perfect. So that is for Friday. I was thinking we're going to be bearish. Only reason is because we did have it close below the 79. Let me just check if I was tripping. Oops. Yeah, I'm tripping. So we didn't have it close below the 79. Okay, that's why price just wanted to rally up higher. Cool, perfect. Okay, so that was for Friday 12 September 2025, and I shall catch you guys now on the next video for a weekly analysis. Okay, peace out, be safe, cheers.